5.3, number 13, you're just asked to evaluate the integrals. We need to figure out, first of all, if we have a dx on top, almost all students prefer to just write it 1 over 1 plus x squared and toss the dx out back. So now, what is the antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus x squared? Well, it's inverse tangent, and it's not obvious, but if you look at Carl, if you're in my class, Carl says the derivative of inverse tangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So it's the inverse tangent of x, and we're evaluating it from -1 to 1. Okay, so without a calculator, what is the inverse tangent of 1? And what is the inverse tangent of -1? Anytime you're evaluating an inverse trig function, ask yourself what angle has a, and in this case, what angle has a tangent of 1. So on the unit circle, inverse tangent only exists in quadrants 1 and 4, so we don't have to worry about that over here. If you have questions about that, I'll explain that in a different video. Inverse tangent of 1. So this angle right here, 1 square root of 2. One angle has a tangent of 1. This angle has a tangent of 1 right there. Has a tangent of 1. Opposite over adjacent is 1 over 1. So how big is that angle? That is pi over 4. Minus. What angle has an inverse or a tangent of -1? Well, that's right down here. What that angle right there has a tangent of -1, and that would be negative pi over 4. So we have a pi over 4 minus negative pi over 4, so that's pi over 4 plus pi over 4, that's 2 pi over 4, or pi over 2.